SubhanAllah, I just wanted to clarify one thing that I've noticed about Ali Farah is the patience he has for what he's going through. I don't even think I have that patience at the moment, and I'm trying to build that patience in terms of what he's been going through. He's been in ICU, and the things I have been seeing in ICU I've never seen in my life. The breathing tubes that he's on, the feeding tubes that he's on. Ali Farah is not just a mate, he's a brother to me. I just want to give advice for the young youth out there. Be cautious of what you do. Think twice, count to 10 in everything you do, because one day you may regret it. And like I said before, I'm not the perfect person. Death can come at any time. You could be out clubbing, you could be out going doing drugs, you could be out, seeing a girl in a haram way, and death can come to you. Just remember that. Just remember that in that concept of life in general. Don't do haram and say you want to repent later. I'm not perfect. No one's perfect. So the da'wah I'm giving you now, and the boys that in the next videos are going to be doing, is just to show you where life can take you. There's many other people like me in the same situation. There's many other people like Ali Farah in the same situation. So please, ask you all to benefit from this video and to make dua for Ali Farah. Ali Farah has changed me dramatically. He has shown me life in a different perspective. So I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give him full shifa and live to tell the story, and we can be back with the brothers, and I can take him out for my noosh again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.